Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Chime to Cash App. First thing you should do is to simply open Cash App on your phone. Then once you open Cash App, you should navigate to this bank icon on the bottom left corner. And after that, it will show you this page. Now you can simply click on Add Cash. Then it will show you this menu. Now you have to simply choose the amount of money that you need. And if you cannot see the amount of money that you actually want to put in these options, you can simply click on these three dots and add the amount that is suitable for you. So click on these three dots, then add the amount. I'm going to type $15 for example. Then you'll have to click on this add button. After that, it will ask you to add a bank using your debit card. Now you have to enter your Chime bank details. And by this way, money will be transferred from your Chime to Cash App. And after that, your Chime bank will be linked to Cash App. And you don't have to do the same steps next time. You will just have to click on Add Cash and choose the Chime account that you have. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.